Hello, my name is Ollie and I'm going to be doing a project on dairy farming. I visited a farm called Redgelbury Park Farm. What you are looking at now is called a rotary parlour. Rotary parlours are labour-efficient milking parlours for dairies requiring a high cow throughput per hour. The milk from this farm is taken in tankers 3 miles away to the cheese processing plant.
Just 2 at a time, and then he'll put the units on. Presses a button, the unit drops down so that he can then attach the 4 clusters onto the cow's udder. And then when the cow's finished milking, the unit comes off. Flips upside down, it washes itself through. The cow gets the teat spray from the little black things on the floor. So she has some iodine disinfectant put on her. She goes all the way around the rest of the milking parlour and then she can walk off the other side. Milking over.
These are the calving units. The cows stay in these units just before they calf and for 3 days after until the calves are taken away. This farm has a zero coal policy and maximises the time of colostrum intake. These calves are slightly older. They still have milk made from powder. They are bedded on a mixture of straw, sawdust and elephant grass. Dairy farming faces environmental impact issues due to high methane production. Facilities such as Reading University CEDAR units strive to reduce methane while not impacting on yield. Other dairy farmers suffer with low milk prices. The cows from this farm are milked exclusively for the production of cheese. There are 700 cows milked, and they are milked twice a day. Although the milk from Redgelbury Park Farm only travels 3 miles, the cheese is sold all over the world to places such as Europe, Australia and Mexico. In 1952, 2 Ollie brothers started the farm to start off what the farming is today. A thriving modern family dairy farm. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Are there any questions?